school where I happened to be a teacher of the same school. Then and there we became best and close friends. Larry, as friend called him, an agriculturist, major in animal husbandry, was assigned in Jordan branch, also at Natuto. One day, when Larry passed by, Asun was conducting the pambansang awit during the land ceremony. The cowboy astride in a stallion, complete with cowboy hat. Boots and Larry was attracted with the fair description of the teacher from Hanino. He called it love at first sight. Every morning, it became his routine to watch Asun from a distance conduct the national anthem until such time he could no longer hold his feeling for her in a distance. So he befriended me after knowing that Asun and I were the best of friends. So I became the prince of two. Since then, I was invited by Larry to sleep in the backhouse. But to my dismay, when Asun accepted Larry, I was no longer invited to sleep with him because he no longer needed me. Kaya kamu na mahirap eh. Nakita ninyo si Larry kung ano siya ka-eksperto sa paglaso sang baka, sa rodeo. Amo man sa eksperto sa pagkuha sang buko ni Asun. So they were married in Hariwa, Iloilo, bringing me along together Nino and Nino of the children thereafter. Si Larina, ako ang nilong niya sa kumpirma, ako ang nilong niya sa kasal, ako ang nilong sa mga kabataan nila. So nakita ninyo, actually, nag-istoryahan ay kami ni Jan, siya hindi pa na matapos ang call, nahaspa pa na sa mga apo, So, okay, kay tagaan kasi maayong lawas, kasi makabot na sa 100 years. So, they had the second honeymoon in Davao, tagging me along and giving me the first chance to write a play. Hindi scorer. Hindi ka mga scorer. So, the marriage can be considered a happy and successful one. You may ask me, why and how? Because they strongly believe in the following. They strengthen and enrich the marriage by not hiding the truth. They believe that many a marital break is done by a series of little things. It is not the big things that erupt a union. Rather, it is an annoyances that works against a happy marriage. Even a people of your souls is unbearable. Marriage demands trust. The search is suspicion. The pockets, the closets, the leaders, and drawers may want people and put the marriage into that. Never search. Remember, true love is patient and kind and will always be. A man needs appreciation. It hurts deeply when the wife shows little interest in his work, profession, or hobby. As soon as this all, a husband wants to know his wife's age for him by the way she cares for herself and keep the house, by the pride she takes in achievements and talk about them to their children. As soon as just that. So ako nadungdaman one time, nagdato kami sa Davao. Nag-shopping kami, kaya wala pa niya ang Kaisano, wala pa niya ang ECC, wala pa niya ang sunod na itong Ibon. So, ang katuwa namin sa sumuna sa Kaisano, sa Davao. So, nandito na kami sa Davao, sige, niya yung shopping. Kung ano ang patunan niya Asun di Kilari, kinabakla nila ko sa, kaya wala ko si Baldasan to. Kinabakla din niya, paano kinabakla niya? Kay Nonoy, kay Inday, kay Toto, kinabakla ko niya Asun sila. Pero, sa matapos ang among shopping, nagtulog kami sa hotel. Pagkatapos namin tulog sa hotel, so, itaspa naman mga bataan na ako pagkilari sa talong. Sila mo mag-istoryahan lang. Pero sa pag-ako para sa dalong, inayat sila, ay ang kanaan ng Jason. Kung sulat, pag-inom kita sa kwan, sa salmunan, sulat ato kami inom kami sa salmunan. So, nagdanan kami sa inom, pagkatapos kami sa laing inuman, kasi doon pa naman masyado para inom. So, umpisa alas 10, hangtod alas 4 sa hapon, sa aga na, kaya nagpalay kami. Kaluoy na sa taon, kaya nakapalay sa alas 11, alas 12, alas 1, alas 2, alas 10. Wala pa kayapon kami, alas 4, wala pa kayapon kami. Nagkabot kami alas 4 sa aga, medyo bubong na. So, pag-abot naman sa ulit, anong inatulugan, tingnan na sige, masibalag ka. Pagsakan naman sa taas, kaya sa batas ako, usin sa gilid. Pero doon lang ako sikalit ako, daw ay pinagin usin. So, pagsimba naman sa katedral sa simbahan, pagkatapos ng simba naman, ang naungya, sunula kahapon, wala kahapon siya ang among pamit. Sunod kaya kapatid sa niya, pagkatapos kita sa saray, magsimba pagkatapos sa saray, doon nagkatapos kami sa saray. Pag-abot naman sa saray, nag-alasan Santino ako, siko, bro, iwagi ang kaisipan ni Ason. Wala isipin na kinari, wala kong tinunto ang mabuot, tawa. Pagkatapos ang misa sa saray, so maayos ang kondisyon na, so nagpaano siya, nag-lockdown siya. Pagkatapos dito, dito sa magkakon, ang pagbalaan ko maayong isip siya, agad-palit naman ko sa altar, tipo, bro, salamat bro, ha? So, wala si pinatabo. Wala si kalabuhan sa tabusin. Pero nakatiga ko sa musika, sakit tayo sa kilig. So, that is life. So, married life is what you make it. May be sad, it may be happy, and the choice is yours. So, Larry Asuncios be happy, putting God first in everything they do. They were rewarded being chosen the fact of the model family of Mulumulu in the year 1999. So, the wonderful and model parents, they deserve to be offered flowers by the children and grandchildren. So, I'm calling all the children. Si Toto ang una, si Cor, ang anak nila si Ayan. Okay, so kay ulam namin. Sunod ko na rin.
Picture anay.
Lolo and Shea and Dave Patrick. And then Jan and Dai with Benedict and Liza. to you, Son Kalari, happy Mother's Day and then happy anniversary.
Okay, so we'll be distributing glass of wine, and then we'll be sharing our wishes by toasting together with celebrants in a little while. Okay, so please don't drink immediately the wine that is being served to you. Because we are cross-sanitized. Okay, so just wait for a while and enjoy the music. Okay, so while waiting for the wine, there might be anybody from the celebrity who wants to make wishes for the celebrants. Is there anybody who wants to go here? This side wants to give their wishes? Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Bareng tunay. As Raymond said, as we open the program today, these are the faces that we see to celebrate 40 years of wedded bliss. As also said, may ups and downs ni Mr. Matoliano, may kusing pagani, no? And of course, with all the years that we have known each other, we would like to continue to say we will continue our friendship. Again, sabi ni Raymond, mahirap yung forever. Mahirap yung forever. But having been together for all these years, it can still be forever. We wish you all the best that life can offer. And we hope to see you at least midpoint muna ako kasi kay Amado kanina 100 years golden wedding po. Salamat.